Well, some stupid idiot broke my mirror last week, and that being idiot being me. So grab your Harbor Freight toolkit and let's change this sucker up. I'll show you guys how to do it. It's really simple. It shouldn't take you more than 5-10 minutes to swap it all out and get back on the road without any issues at all. Okay, so we put that wires like they're supposed to go. So that's my green and yellow, and this is my white. So we put them in there, and like I told you guys, just push in to one side, and this is the little lever that you guys are gonna think. This is the only thing that locks that mirror in. It doesn't have anything else, just that. So just push this thing down and it'll unlock. Push it up and it will lock. See? Just goes all the way up like that. So get yourself your screwdriver and just push it up. All right. There's the new one right there. It only took me about 5 minutes to do so. You guys can replace your own mirror. That requires rocket science. So just like I told you, just push the mirror in all the way in so you guys can see the little lever on the back. Push the little lever down, it'll pop out, and then put it back in. Just connect the wires, push it back in, put it in place. It'll lock into place, it'll sit in place, and then just lock the little lever up. That's all. And another thing on that thing, I couldn't find the real mirror for that Peterbilt mirror, the dealership. So what I did was I ordered it from the internet, but it wasn't that it wasn't for that Peterbilt. It was for a Kenworth. This is a mirror for a T80. No, it's not a T86. It's a T600. It's a T600, T660, and T800. It's the same mirror as the 386 and 387, I believe, in Peterbilt. So if you guys can't find the mirror in Peterbilt, get it in Kenworth or get it out of the internet, something that fits that T600, T660, or T800. That mirror right there was gonna cost me at the dealership was gonna cost me about $170, almost $200. I asked for the price. They told me they didn't have it. I was even gonna buy it from them, but they told me that they didn't have it on stock, that they needed to order it, but they couldn't give me a delivery date. So what I did was just I got the part number from them and started searching the web. So in the internet, if you guys get a Peterbilt mirror, it's gonna be about the same price. It's gonna be about the $175. You might find a deal then around $100 or so. But the Kenworth, this damn mirror is the same thing. Kenworth, it cost me $35. So yeah, crazy, but it's true. That damn mirror cost me $35. Dealership was gonna charge me almost $200 for the damn mirror, and I was still gonna have to put it on myself. So there you guys have it. See you guys on the next one.